In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink in the Canon Pixma TS7650i printer. The first thing you need to do is take the ink out of the packaging and then remove any orange strip that you see on the printer head. And make sure not to touch it with your finger. So come to the side of your printer and you'll see that you have this little indent. This is to open it up and load the ink. So you're simply going to lift it up like this. So here, take your two fingers and pull it up, and you'll see the stand on the left hand side keeps the lid up, so you don't need to hold it. Make sure your printer is turned on, and you'll see the two trays for the ink will slide into the middle of the printer. To access them, you're just going to push your thumb and then flip it up like this. We'll do the same with the black. So push your thumb against it and then just pull it up. And now the ink is ready to be installed. So we're going to get the color ink first of all. I like to hold it like this, and then we're going to place it downward. So you simply place it in and then it will fall flat on its own. So I'll do the same with the black ink now. You want to press downward like this. And as you can see, it just fell flat. So once you've done that, simply close these two blue tabs and you'll hear them click, which means the ink is secure. The last thing you need to do now is close the lid. So make sure you're closing the lid itself and not just the scanner. So lift it up and then press it downwards like this. And then you'll hear the ink cartridges in the background moving around. This is completely normal. So that's how to install the ink.